Do you agree that we have become too dependent on remittances?
The problem is so huge that I think we need to do something. Lahat tayo may responsibilidad dito. Kasi pag hindi tayo vigilant, nag-aabuso ang gobyerno. So tingnan mo anong nangyari sa atin ngayon. Nakakahiya. We are used to be second to Japan. Sino ba yung mga Vietnam noon? Ano ba yung Thailand noon? We were
Correct.
same level noon. Pero ngayon, ang layo na nila. If we talk of education, economic development, kuli lahat talaga tayo. We are 77 among 81 countries on literacy and numeracy. With this kind of education, what kind of country or people that will have in the future?
Mm.
When children cannot read, they cannot understand, and they cannot compute. Kung ganun ang mangyari, what will happen to us in the future? Lagi na lang tayong utusan at ulila ng ibang. I have a lot of frustrations, but hindi naman hopeless. Kaya nga, we continue to work with my partner to promote good governance. We can do something to improve the way we manage our country.
Definitely, and I agree on that 100%. Dapat talaga tayong lahat maging watchdog sa
Mm.
mga government employees natin dyan para at least maging accountable sila sa lahat ng pinaggagawa nila dyan. Because at the end of the day, it's our taxes and at the end of the day, it's our life that's being affected.